Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get more views for your stream on Kick website. So now all you need to do is to open your web browser. Either it was Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge, Opera or any web browser. After that, you will need to search for kick.com. So we search for it kick.com and now it will access us or to give us the access to the website. Now all you need to do is either to log in with your account, and if you do not have already an existent account, you will need just to click on sign up. So basically you can just sign up with your email and add other informations, your personal informations, and then you will click on sign up, or you can just simply sign up with your Google or Apple accounts. In my case, I'm just going to sign up with your Google account, and I'm going to choose the account with whom I will sign up. I will add just a username, and I'm going to give some informations. I will just give random informations as follow, and you click on save, and then you accept the term of services and the policies of the website, and then you will be able to access to the website. And now all it remains to do is to follow these simple steps. So now all you need to do is to go to the creator dashboard. So you will need just to click on your profile avatar and then click on creator dashboard, and after you edit all the streams, or if you edit everything in the streaming dashboard, all you need to do is to have your Kick web streaming URL. So basically, and then all you need to do is to go to your channel and make it and now all you need to do is to copy this link, and then you will need to share your streaming with as many people as you want, so you can so that your stream will be viewed by many people. So basically all you need to do is to share it by copying the URL of your channel, or you can have some links to the Facebook, Twitter, or you can share your profile, or I mean your URL in other platforms like Instagram, in Twitch, or any place that where there is a big audience of the thing that you are streaming, and then just give them the link and they will start watching your streams, and by that you will have the number of viewers that will increase, and by that you will have more viewers for your stream. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.